Well, hello beautiful people. Alrighty, this one is a doozy. Cheesy garlic damper. I did the olive one not long ago, so tonight I'm making Big Boy's spaghetti bog. We are making. So I thought this damper will go awesome with it. So let's get stuck into it. Alright, first thing you got to do is you've got to preheat oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Then you've got to get yourself an oven tray and put some baking paper on it. Then you want to get 30 grams of butter and put it in a really little saucepan and melt it down. While that's melting, 2 cups of SR flour in a bowl. I'll put the recipe below as always anyway. Alright, a heaped cup of cheese. Now when we stir this up, I always use the end of a spoon or spatula or whatever you want to use, wooden or plastic, okay? Makes it really well. So just stir the cheese in first, that way it'll come out all even over it. And once the cheese is in, we want 1 teaspoon of mustard. Sprinkle that on. Mix it in a little bit. Alright, now we'll just wait on the butter. Make a bit of a well. She's almost melted. Alright, so the next thing we do is we get 1 cup of milk. Put it in the middle. Then we get, now it's up to you how much garlic you use. I'm using the minced garlic out of the jar, but if you use the fresh garlic, it's completely up to you how much garlic you want to use or how much you like. I'm putting 2 heaped teaspoons in. Alright, and then kind of give that a little mix up in the milk. Alright, then we pour our butter in. And mix it all up with the back of your, with the end of your spoon. I like using those scraper ones. Alright, put some flour down on your bench. You can just use plain flour for this. Alright, put it on there. Flour over the top. Keep going with the flour until it's nice and sort of like a stiff dough. That's getting better. A little bit more. Yep. Okay, now make sure you've got plenty on the base. We want to basically spread it out. We'll put it in a rectangle about 20 by 25. Push it in a bit, get it the sort of shape you want. Now, I don't know if that's 20 by 25, but we'll go there, maybe a bit shorter. Okay, once you've done that, sort of just push your hands in and try and even it up a little bit. Alright, the next thing we want to do is we want to get, where is it, our cheese. Sorry guys, I was looking for my cheese. I'm like, where's my cheese? It's like, I forgot to tell you. We're going to need another cup of cheese. Alright, so 1 goes in it, and then 1 goes on it. My bad. Looking around, it's like, where the hell is it? Alright, then you push it in. Alright, and at the long end, get it all in there. At the long end, we roll it. Okay, once we've rolled it, pat the corners in, ends in, sorry. Try and get it as even as we can. Alright, get a nice sharp knife. Now work out roughly where half is. So about there. Cut it. Alright, now cut these two in thirds. So work out roughly where you think a third is. And cut them. On both sides. Oh, that was probably a bit. Okay, once we got them, we get our tray. Now, how am I going to do this so you can see? Alright, and we turn them. Can you see part of that tray? We turn them. Alright, so you turn it up where I just cut onto its thing. Make it into a little bit of a roll. And sit it on the tray. Now, what we're going to do is get the next one. Doesn't matter which way you do them. Is we're going to try and put them in a circle. So up. Now if I bring this over, alright, put it down the cut way up, and just do them into a circle. Sort of like a flower looking thing. You can move them around when you get them on there. And try and get the ends, you know, the roll up part, this bottom end, try and get that into the next one. Alright, so they're facing into each other, not out. If I can find them all. See how they're the end things? Alright, so get them so they're all touching each other. Alright, and then get them into a circle. Like as so. Alright, now we need a little bit of milk to put on the top of them. Milk on the top of them. I'll just use my fingers. Dab it on there. I'm going to make them decently. Nice little soak on there. Okay, once you're done with that, then we get our sesame seeds, sprinkle them on the top, a little as many as you like. I always go hard with sesame seeds, I like them. Okay, and in the oven she goes. Check these little beauties out, mate. Oh, it smells like garlic bread in here. It's just awesome. These are going to be so nice with the wok bog. Alright, so what I'll do is that when my spaghetti's ready, I'll put them in 10 minutes before and melt the cheese again, so I could serve them hot with the spaghetti. But let's pull one apart, if I can, it's that hot. There you have it, your cheesy damper rolls. Look at this. Oh mate, I don't know if you can see all that cheese oozing out. Oh, they're fluffy yet dense like a proper damper. I can tell you right now, I make these plenty. They are moreish. Have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back in a couple of hours with my wok bog. Bye.